Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to record audio in DaVinci Resolve 19. It is very easy. First of all, head to the LearnLite tab which you can see at the bottom, and once you click here you have the option to add audio track where you are gonna record your voice. So for that, hit right click on this empty area and you will see the option add track, and here we need to choose either mono or stereo. If you're giving voiceovers, the mono is going to be good for you. I'll choose mono here, and once you do that, here you will see this window, and from here we need to give the mic input. So for that, click on this A2 because this is the audio track 2 we have added, and this is the exact audio track where we are gonna add our voiceover or record our audio. Now here, if you click on no input, we need to select input and choose the microphone you have. This is the microphone I'm using, so I'll just select that and just click on patch. Once you patch them, just close this window and select this R key so that you can record your audio. If I click on it, this is the button which we need to hit in order to record the audio. But before that, we need to fix this slider to the point from where we want to record the audio. I want to record from this point, so I'll leave it here. Then here we need to click on this record button, and yeah, you can see we are now recording the audio in DaVinci Resolve, and it is that easy. To stop the recording, just click on this and the audio clip is successfully recorded. Not only that, if you are the guy who want to use noise reduction effect while recording the audio, you can do that as well. So for that, you need to click on this plus icon just next to effects, and here you have the option for restoration, and under it we have the option noise reduction. So just make sure that it is turned on, and you can just leave it on default setting and just close this. Now if I record my audio again, the audio going to be recorded with noise reduction. And yeah, that's it. It is that simple to record audio in DaVinci Resolve 19. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, consider subscribing my YouTube channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.